Hello everybody, it's Justin Oakley with Oakley Home Access, your one-stop shop for everything home modification, focused on aging in place, fall prevention, and increasing accessibility in the elderly community. Today we're going to talk about, and I'm going to actually demonstrate, the use of the vertical platform lift. Now, we've done video blogs in the past about the use of these vertical platform lifts, but now that we have one in the showroom, we figure we might as well try one out and show you how it works. So this is demonstrating only a 10-inch rise. Oftentimes we're going up about anywhere from 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 14 feet high we can go. Of course, that ramp/wall would go up more as the lift goes up. So here we're demonstrating I'd be leaving the home or getting off the deck to the level surface where the VPL is. So I'm rolling on. I'm stopping here. Simply hitting the down button. And what was my wall now comes down and becomes my simple ramp. So then I have barrier-free access. And of course, it takes up a lot less space than the ramp. It doesn't take the strength required to push a wheelchair up or to walk up. And it doesn't require the transfers that an alternative solution such as the stair lift would offer. So again, the vertical platform lift, it's great for access to the home, up straight to an entrance or up to a deck, works very well. Indoors, in a garage, it's a great solution for access. So again, it's Justin Oakley from Oakley Home Access. We're your one-stop shop for everything home modification, focusing on aging in place, fall prevention, and increasing accessibility. Give us a call, 401-429-3882. Check us out on our website, oakleyhomeaccess.com, for a lot of other information about the products and services we offer. Of course, give us a call and we can set up a free home safety assessment. Thanks. See you next week.